Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Vegetarian Keto. Today's topic is 7 most essential supplements required in a keto diet. Before starting with today's video, I request you to subscribe our channel if you have not done till now. It would be a good one if you keep your valuable comments and suggestions for us. So, starting with today's video, there are 7 most essential supplements that is required in a keto diet. To know about it more, we shall start with the first one. It's magnesium. Yes. On a ketogenic diet, it may be even more difficult to meet your magnesium needs, as many magnesium-rich foods like beans and fruits are also rich in carbs. For these reasons, taking 200 to 400 mg of magnesium per day may be beneficial if you are on a keto diet. Supplementing with magnesium can help reduce muscle cramps, difficulty sleeping, and irritability. Some of the most absorbable forms of magnesium are magnesium glycinate, magnesium gluconate, and magnesium citrate. So if you wish to increase your magnesium intake through keto diet, then we should focus on these low carb and magnesium rich options such as spinach, avocado, switch gourd, pumpkin seeds, and mackerel. Next is vitamin K2. Yes, our body needs calcium to build and maintain bones. When it breaks down calcium in our bodies, vitamin K2 activates a protein that helps the mineral bind to our bone to do its job. While research is going, studies show a higher K2 intake improves your bone density and reduces the risk of bone fracture. So apart from losing weight, you have these benefits too. Yes, vitamin K2 food might include hamburgers, cheese, milk, beef, egg, and fried chickens too. Moving ahead with our next one is collagen. So there are 5 reasons you need to know why you require a collagen on a keto diet. First, extra boost of protein. Yes, it's an extra boost of protein for your diet. Also, it prevents hair loss, improves anti-aging, it's a gut health, and reduces inflammation too. For the 4th essential supplement, it's chlorella. Yes, it detoxifies heavy metals, it alkalizes your body, it helps your skin look more younger, it promotes weight loss, it speeds up muscle recovery, it boosts your energy, improves digestion, supports immune system, and last but not the least, it internally deodorizes your body. So now vitamin D3. We all know getting sufficient amount of vitamin D is very hard even if you are not on a keto. The sunshine vitamin is made by the body when skin is exposed to the sun, and direct sun exposure is something many people try to avoid, the risk of skin damage and skin cancer. So vitamin D is found in some of the foods too, such as milk, orange juices, and cereals. These items are limited under keto because of their high carb content. But vitamin D is essential. So vitamin D is very necessary for your bone health, and being deficient for a long period of time can lead you to development of brittle bones and fractures also. So it's highly recommended to take a supplement of vitamin D during your keto diet. Now talking about fish oils, or we can say omega-3. So, omega-3 fatty acid supplements such as fish or krill oil are very rich in omega-3 fatty acid eicosapentaenoic acids, and also it has a health benefit in many ways. So the EPA and DHA has been found to reduce the risk inflammations, lower your heart diseases risk, and prevent mental decline also. So the imbalance can promote inflammation in your body and has been linked to an increase in many inflammatory diseases. Omega-3 supplements can be particularly beneficial for people on a ketogenic diet, as they can help maintain a healthy omega-3 to omega-6 ratio when following a high-fat diet. When shopping for omega-3 supplements, you should choose a reputable brand that provides at least a combined 500 mg of EPA and DHA per 1000 gram mg servings. So curcumins are also the next and the last important supplement in our ketogenic diets. It contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties which may offer health benefits. Earlier studies says this may help keep your heart, joints and brain healthy. It may play an important role in protecting against cancers, diabetes and many more researches. So you can see guys that apart from losing weight or having a good healthy body shape, you can have a lot of health benefit, keeping you stay younger, healthier and flexible for a long time. So go for this keto diet, get your goals completed. Subscribe our channel. Please do like our channel and share if you like it, and comment below. Dear ones, we have the Insta page for your keto diet enrollments. Do like and follow it, and keep sharing your love. Thank you. Have a nice day.